a street seat that you guys can still have sliders, still have reclinability and all that stuff, definitely go with Brahms. Especially if you're a Z owner. I mean, the brackets and everything that they provide and all the stuff is actually really crispy and clean. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get some runs in right now. You can see by the title of this video. Got my homie Superman Duck posted. Hopefully you can get us some dubs. I am on street tire right now, and I'm only gonna be on 7 pounds. So we're gonna go race some fools, and we're on a shitty tire right now. And I have a couple more maps, but I don't want to put it in those maps because there's really no point, because it's just gonna spin. So we're gonna try out 7 pounds today, and we're gonna see how she does against some other fast cars. I'm gonna go race this BMW that I know, single turbo, comp turbo kit, Doc Race kit, tuned by House of Power. No joke, they're pretty quick, you know, but those 335s, man, you gotta be able to shift, you gotta keep up with them. So we're gonna go see what we can do. Also, there's gonna be, got on my kit right here, got my GoPro for the head mount. There's also gonna be my boy Alvino out there with the F80 M3. You know, fool, I thought you weren't on the 85, dog.
Look at that.
What are you, I don't know.
On E30.
E30? Alvino's whip. Shit's bad. Look at that shit. That's that fuck you money, huh?
Look at that.
That's that fuck you money, huh? That M3 shit? Damn.
What happened to your hood? I think I need to ask 91, or else it's gonna choke.
You think so?
Yeah.
Alright, how much power is it making, bro, do you think?
Huh?
How much power is it making?
Probably making like 300 to the wheel.
300, bullshit. Lying.
On a good
You
day.
guys know. Look at that. Dude, you see that?
On a good day, you know?
SSR Performance. And it's, what is it? It's full bolt-ons, right?
I bought this to throw people off, you know?
Bullshit.
It's only on down pipe.
Clouded.
It's on down pipe.
Just downpipe, huh?
Just down pipe.
Just downpipe?
On my hood for you.
Made by them, right? The SSR people?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Performance down pipe.
Yeah. That shit's sick. We're just waiting for Louis, and I think this guy's creeping on us over there, but we're gonna find out here in a little bit. All day, every day. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
I like it, cut G.
Oh, not Louis. Infamous. Get out here. We got my boy Louis. If you guys don't follow him on YouTube, he is on the rise. Make sure you follow it. I will drop it on this little clip. But wide body scat. Shit's clean. What's up, G?
Dsnidess.
Nice, bro. Chilling.
How's it going, bro?
Yeah, same shit. Different day.
Shit.
Yeah.
You know, it's for weight reduction.
Dog. When you own an M3, girls get mad, dude. Huh? That says liar. I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh man. Yeah. Dude, it's almost the same thing, bro. Don't worry.
It's a fast car thing.
Don't worry. At least it just doesn't say a word, but it's all good.
Do a review on them for the channel. And
Dude, you got to.
That's that fuck you money right there.
Nah, yeah. I mean, I don't know. Yeah. Look at that. You got the Mandingo brakes on that. Fresh new R888 all the way around.
It'll probably catch. Yeah, I ain't even try it, bro.
You got the homie right here. You see the gram on the side of it. It's just quick. No play, no play. We got BMW boys. Where am I? I'm out of my element over here. We got a V8 and 2 Beamer boys right here. Yeah, that shit's expensive. The whole car's sheesh. Damn, don't play with this man. He said. Hey, this shit's clean, huh?
Yeah, it's clean. It's just quick, bro.
Hell yeah.
Got the N340i.
You see it? You see who he's tuned by?
Oh, is that the tuner right there?
Yeah, 340i. Boom.
Right.
On some meats. Yes, sir. This guy ain't playing no games. You wanna follow him? Check him out. Just quick.
About 60 racks over there.
as we out here. We're waiting for another BMW. There's already 3 of them. We're waiting for another one to pull up, and then a Hellcat, and then we're gonna run them. So wait on that. Hopefully they show up. Hey.
Hell yeah, let me get a lift.
Yeah.
I just told you that. Listen. I'm from.
Yeah. We over here being sneaky boys. We gotta air down the tires, man, cause we on these street tires. We gotta win. We gotta win, boys. We gotta win.
Right?
The bottle right there.
You see it under there, man?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Little bottom mount turbo.
There you go. We got a couple of them pulling up. This guy pulling up. Why?
Tell me the rest is how else have to be long.
Yeah, oh yeah. Sir. The infamous Tech in 54? Yes, sir. Hell yeah. That shit's sick, dude.
The Compa Turbo?
Compa Turbo, boys. Polished cover, boys, is what it is. I got a polished cover, too. Doc Race, baby. You already know. She's hot now. Got everyone getting 85. Yes, sir. Chilling.
Bro, you're too.
We know why he's here. He's getting 85, man. We know why.
Pull the cameras out. See my boy Dsnidess.
Yes, sir. What's good? You already know.
Follow the boy, man.
You see the drip? Let's see the drip real quick.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
One time.
Oh, one time.
Those are all real.
Yeah, that's right.
No.
Alright guys, this is where we're gonna close it out. Got some dubs, ate some beams, got the Z, got Louis. He's doing his thing, you know. But we closing it out. We got the cars here.